Hey everyone, welcome to IMMERSE. Now that you've received your welcome email and set up your account, you're officially in the IMMERSE platform. When you first log in, you'll arrive at your homeroom. This is a place where you'll be able to book a lesson, view the schedule, or join events. But first, let's go to Settings where you can set up and change some important preferences. Go to Settings by clicking here. Then you can go to Display. This is where you can change your display language: English, Spanish, French, or Japanese. We recommend setting it to English for now, and you can switch it to Spanish later if needed. You can also adjust your sound preferences, like spatial voices. We recommend turning it down for the best sound experience. But now, let's go back to the home screen where you can book a lesson, check the schedule, and join classes. Now that we're back in our homeroom, you'll be able to view the schedule and book a class. So first, let's view the schedule. Here you'll see the classes from today through next week based on your level. In my case, I'm in level 3, and for example, let's say I want to book a class for today at 2 p.m. Simply click on 2 p.m. Here you'll see the name of the class, the name of the guide. It's a 40-minute class in the bar. So click on Book. Your lesson is booked. You'll receive an email with the booking confirmation and an option to add it to your Google Calendar. Let's click on Continue. Now that you've booked your first class, you can see your upcoming lessons in your homeroom. Now let's practice before our class. In your homeroom, you'll be able to see your upcoming lessons. Click on View. Here you can practice on your own by clicking Start. You can practice vocabulary, pronunciation, or guided conversation with AI. We totally recommend giving this a try. Now let's see the other tabs. Learning Path is where you can also see the schedule and the units. You can practice on your own by clicking on any unit you want. Next, we have the Community tab. Here you'll find the language exchange scene named the Commons. This is a great place to meet other members learning different languages and living in different countries around the world. We have public scenes that rotate every hour. Right now, you can join the bowling scene and practice there with your friends. This is a public scene, but only for your target language. So in this case, you'll meet only Spanish learners. You can also click on Private to join scenes with a specific code that you can only share with your friends. So for example, let's go to the networking event. You can click right here and create a code. In this case, let's create a code named IMMERSE. Just click Join and boom, you're inside IMMERSE. This is how the networking event scene looks. And now let's practice how to move around. You can use the arrow keys or the WASD to move right, left, forward, and backwards. This is super easy to do. Now, how can we simply look to the right or the left? Just by clicking and dragging to the right in order to see to the right, or clicking and dragging to the left to see to the left. Now, let's go to that table over there. I'm clicking and dragging, and now I'm going to move forward with the arrow keys. So I'm moving forward. Then I'm going to click and drag to the right, keep moving forward. And I can stop, click and drag to the left, and keep moving forward. All right, now that I'm close to the table, I'll see different buttons like sitting down. Just click on Sit. And right now, let's practice how to grab objects. To stand up, I'm simply going to press any key and keep moving forward. I see a pizza, I'm going to grab it. Just click on Grab. When you grab an object, you have different options like eat it, or throw it, destroy it, place it, drop it. In class, you'll be asked to place different objects, so this is an important feature. You can press Z or just click here and choose the surface you want to place the object on. In my case, I'm going to place the pizza right here. And that's how you place different objects. So now let's leave the scene. You can press Escape or click here and you'll see the option to leave. Just click Leave and return to Home mode. After class, you can review all your class notes by clicking on the Review tab. Here you'll see the past classes and the My Notes section. So that's it. You're ready to start exploring Immerse and enjoying your first lesson. See you in class.